Do you ever find yourself unable to cope and get through your day? Do you feel the need to soothe your body and your mind from the stresses of modern life? For because of insomnia? Or did you realize that your daily exposure to household cleaners and skincare products is having an impact on your health? Whether you need to simply relax or alleviate the symptoms of illness, aromatherapy could be the answer you're searching for. Not so long ago, I found myself in desperate need of help. I couldn't sleep. I constantly felt stressed out. My health was so poor to say the least. I knew I had to do something. That's when I started to read everything I could on the subject of aromatherapy. What I discovered completely changed my life. How did I do it? I would love to share my secrets with you and introduce you to the best aromatherapy first aid kit out there. My dear friend, we are all part of the great experiment. We are considered the guinea pig generation, and whether we like it or not, we are all part of one giant petri dish of an experiment and we don't know it. Why do you think that so many cosmetics and perfumes are launched prematurely only to be yanked from the shelves months later, only after allergies and adverse side effects have been reported? Banned chemicals still sitting under our kitchen skins. Scary to admit it, but there are hundreds of banned chemicals that still to this moment lace the household cleaners and cosmetics that we entrust our lives with each day. We always believe that knowledge is power. By knowing which banned chemicals are in products means that you can avoid using them in the future. Why go natural? There's never been a better time to go natural. We have become the sensitive allergic generation, and it's no wonder. With the amount of artificial chemicals that we come into contact with each day, it's no surprise that we're becoming more allergic and sensitive than ever before. In fact, a chemical found in your average run-of-the-mill hair dye contains what is known as a sensitizer. You may go blissfully unaware that this chemical is weakening your defenses, making you more susceptible to allergies until it hits you one day and you suddenly can no longer dye your hair because you've suddenly developed an allergy towards it. Not only that, as a sensitizer, you're left vulnerable to the effects of other chemicals that come into contact with your skin because a sensitizer facilitates easy penetration of the skin, allowing chemicals entry into the bloodstream. Once in the bloodstream, these chemicals can come into contact with your internal organs such as your liver and your kidneys. Here are some of the few side effects of our daily cocktails of chemical. Increased sensitivity and incidence of allergies. Impaired development and brain function in children, reduced fertility, compromised nervous system. Another example of harmful chemicals in our everyday household products is deodorants. Several deodorants on the market contain aluminum, which is used for its antimicrobial properties. This is what essentially controls the level of odor that arises from the bacteria in perspiration. However, aluminum in deodorant is toxic to the body and is harmful to the nervous system and is linked with Alzheimer's disease and possible cancer. As human beings, we need to sweat. That's the whole purpose of our glands as drainage points to remove toxins from our bodies. Yet we're so obsessed with cheating this basic biological function. Blocking your glands with aluminum-based products prevents sweating, but it also prevents your body from properly draining impurities from your system. At times, pores can become blocked and infected, and it is suggested that there may be a link between gland blockage and breast cancer. This doesn't mean that you have to go through life with armpits that are sweaty. There are natural remedies that can help combat sweating and odor naturally, and that key is aromatherapy. What is aromatherapy? Aromatherapy is the treatment of physical ailment through essential oils which contain natural healing properties derived directly through nature. Part of the reason why we're suffering ill health more now than at any other time before is because we've become so out of sync with nature. The thing that we used to rely so heavily upon 100 years ago barely gets an afterthought as we reach for the headache or sinus pill from the medicine cabinet. That being said, I want to introduce you to the Aromatherapy First Aid Kit. Before going deeper into the subject, here's just the tip of the iceberg of what you'll discover with Aromatherapy First Aid Kit system. You will learn how to make your own totally natural cosmetics from scratch and never again wear harmful lead-based cosmetics. You will discover the best remedies for combating body odor, learn how to naturally stamp out the stench of without the use of harmful aluminum-based chemicals. You will learn how to beat the celebrities at their own game and create your own line of natural organic fragrances. Your friends will beg to know where you got it. You will learn how to ditch harmful household cleaners with your own environmentally friendly biodegradable variety. You will learn how to create your own sumptuous massage oils for relieving stress and aching painful joints. You will learn how aromatherapy can be used to heal and benefit your overall health, and plenty more. In fact, this only scratches the surface. Well, I'd love to tell you more, but I prefer to let you find out yourself. If you're currently watching this video on the website, just scroll down to learn more about the Aromatherapy First Aid Kit. If you're watching this on Facebook, YouTube, or any other platform, make sure you head over to kifcare.com/aromatherapy or click the link in the description. Remember, health is wealth. Go natural today.